Hallo und herzlich willkommen. This is our second German lesson where we will talk about German alphabets and pronunciation. So, los geht's! So, in the left hand side, we have English letters. In the middle, we have German pronunciation. And in the right hand side, we have example words. So, let's start. So, English letter of A is pronounced in German as A. A. And the example for this letter is Apfel. Apfel, that means apple. Letter B is pronounced as B. B. For example, ball. Ball. Ball is actually in English. I'm sorry, but it's pronounced as Ball. Ball in German. C. C is pronounced as say. Say. The example word for this is cafe. Cafe. And cafe as in cafe in English. Letter D. Letter D is pronounced as day. Day. The example word is danke. Danke. That means thanks. Letter E is pronounced as a. A. The example word for this is essen. Essen. That means food. Letter F is pronounced as F. And the example word is fish. Fish. That means fish in English. Let me start a pointer because you might not be able to see my arrow. Not sure this is okay. I think it is okay, right? So letter G in English is pronounced as gay. Gay. And the example word for this is garden. Garden. That means garden. One more second. Okay, letter H is pronounced as ha. Ha. The example word is house. House. That means house in English as well. Letter I is pronounced as E. E. And the example word for this is ish. Ish as in I in English. I. Letter J is pronounced as yacht. Yacht. The example word is yar. Yar. That means ear in English. Letter K is pronounced as ka. Ka. The example word for this is Katze. Katze. That means cat. Letter L is pronounced as L. L. Same as English. And the example word for this is lampe. Lampe. That means lamp. Letter M is pronounced as M. Same as in English. For example, Milch. Milch. That means milk in English. Letter N. N is pronounced as N. The example word is Nase. Nase. That means nose in English. Letter O. Letter O is pronounced as O. For example, Oma. Oma. Oma means grandma in English. Letter P is pronounced as P. P. For example, Papa. Papa. That means dad. Letter Q is pronounced as Ku. Ku. For example, quiz. Letter R is pronounced as R, R. For example, wrote, wrote. That means red. Letter S is pronounced as S, S. For example, zona, zona. That means sun. Letter T is pronounced as te, te. For example, tish, dish, dish as in table. Letter U is pronounced as oo, oo. For example, oor, oor. That means clock. Letter V is pronounced as pow, pow. For example, vogel, vogel. That means bird. Letter W is pronounced as way, way. For example, Wasser, Wasser. That means water. Letter X is pronounced as X, X. For example, xylophone, xylophone. Letter Y, Y is pronounced as epsilon, epsilon. For example, yoga, yoga. Letter Z is pronounced as set, set. For example, sight means time. Now we have some unique German sounds. Those are called umlauts and etc. So umlauts are written with two dots on top of a letter. For example, this is called A umlaut, O umlaut, and U umlaut. These umlauts modify vowel sounds. For example, this A is pronounced as R in German, and the A with umlaut is pronounced as A. A, simple, right? So, like how you spell it over here, like in bed, it's A, right? So, for example, here A umlaut, er, set, A is pronounced as Ärzte, Ärzte. That means doctors. O umlaut. O umlaut is similar to yo, yo, with rounded lips. For example, Brotchen, Brotchen. That means bread. U umlaut. This is similar to French U, or say U, U, with rounded lips. For example, Frühstück, Frühstück. That means breakfast. Etc, etc. This sounds like double S. For example, Straße, Straße. That means street. Now it's your turn. You have to match the letters with its correct pronunciation. Let's do it together. So letter B. What do you think? Is it way? No. Bay. Sounds good. Pow. Yacht. Set. No, right? So it is bay. W. W is way. Pow. Yacht. Set. It is way. J is pow. Yacht. Set. Tell me what it is. It is yacht, yacht. V is pow or set. It is pow. And Z is sit. So this is it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.